I believe that through the last few videos, you've gotten a basic idea about how the crosscut teeth and the rip-cut teeth are used. The crosscut teeth are used to cut across the grain. Each crosscut tooth is similar in shape to a Japanese knife, which is ideal for severing the wood fibers continuously. On the other hand, the rip-cut teeth are used to cut along the grain. Each rip-cut tooth resembles a chisel in shape, which makes them effective in scraping out leftover sawdust. But if we want to cut diagonally, which teeth should we use? Generally speaking, to cut at an angle greater than 45 degrees, the rip-cut teeth are more suitable. And for angles less than 45 degrees, the crosscut teeth are better. So let's do a little experiment to see what will happen if I cut with the wrong teeth. First, I'm going to cut this piece of timber at an angle of less than 45 degrees with the rip-cut teeth. See how the saw doesn't move very smoothly?